Nuclear lightning bug blues. Nuclear medicine is all the rage today. You go down to Greenville and they shoot it in your veins, and it goes after cancer cells like a tiny atom bomb. And boys, watch out when it gets there, 'cause that thing is gonna go off, and you're a nuclear lightning bug, because radiation glows and your butt lights up the room you're in every time you blow your nose. 'Cause you're nuclear lightning bug, because radiation glows, and you got those nuclear lightning bug radiation blues. Won't you get this medicine? You gotta take a whole week off and stay away from people and sleep by yourself. That's right, no hugging, no kissing, no loving for a whole 7 days. That's why I like to call the song the damnable lightning bug blues. 'Cause you're a nuclear lightning bug, because radiation glows, and you can't get near the one you love, 'cause they might catch the glow. And you're a nuclear lightning bug, because radiation glows, and you got those damnable nuclear lightning bug blues. Nuclear lightning bug blues.